Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So as you can see, today is 16th February, my car's 1 year birthday. So just don't mind the traffic. As I've told you, I am outside of Bengaluru right now, and I'm filming this video. And I've done some decorations with my car, and I've also made a checklist as you have seen in my first video. So that checklist told to make decorations on the bonnet and stuff. So you can see one layer of satin tape on the bonnet, and then this is from the delivery day 1 year ago, and this is the badging of the car. So coming to the side profile, this is another satin tape on the ORVM or the side mirrors. And as I've told you, the glitter cloth decoration. So this is the glitter cloth. So it's applied on all four doors. So this is on the driver's side and this is on the other passenger side. And then coming to the back of the car, I've done another decoration. And there it is. And my checklist, I've written that on the back there should be another layer of satin tape decoration. So that is done here. And as you can see, this is the confetti which I'm going to blast later. But before that, I'm going to show you what are the upgrades I've done to this car in the recent things before 1 year. And I've also done some interior upgrades like putting satin tape and stuff. So let's go inside. So I have added these speakers which I bought with my own allowance money, and that is for the car's music system. To emphasize, it comes in all 7 different colors. As you can see, the color is changing right now. And other things I've added is I've got 5 water bottles for the 5 doors with the space to store water bottle. And you can see another water bottle here, there is another one, and 2 in the back. And now coming to the other parts, like for the rear view mirror, I've put this satin ribbon decoration. If you may be wondering what the heck is satin ribbon, that is satin tape, but it is tied in a way so it's like formed a ribbon. And anyway, the satin ribbon is carried out for the steering, as I'll show you now. So on a satin ribbon decoration, and my checklist I've told to put like the satin ribbon decoration on the handbrake and gear knob. So I'm going to show it to you now. Just don't mind the reflection on the gear knob. It is a 5-speed manual gear knob. And so this is the ribbon decoration, and coming to that, this is the handbrake ribbon decoration. So now this is it with the interiors, but we have forgot another thing I needed to show you. Something which was not mentioned in my checklist. So this is another satin ribbon decoration for all the interior door handles, but as you can tell, for the exterior door handles there was glitter clock decoration compared to this interior satin ribbon decoration. And coming to that, other things of the interior, I've given the car a good clean of the inside, vacuumed it. But as you can tell, since we have come off road for my village, there was some dust on the roads which have come from the footwear, so we can't do nothing about it. And anyway, I'm gonna show you the next step what I'm doing in the back seat. So I've also bought this Hot Wheels small racer to give the car another look for 1 year old, and this is brand new in my car. So anyway, so this is it on the interiors, but as you can see, the good wash is already showing here. Like also before the wash which I gave, the car went for its second service. The first one was done about 2 months into the delivery, and second one was done just 7 days before February 16th. And then now coming to the other things like the seat belt and all, that's the same, but you can see the seat, I've cleaned it, given this great look. But I've also put some new mats for the car which I customized and bought it. I'm gonna show you, but just don't mind the dust as I've told you for the off-road thing. So this is the mat I've got for my car. That was in my own money. So anyway, so that is great. And there's also another mat here and another one here. Now I want to tell you why I bought those speakers in the first place. One, when I got to know I have to do something special for my car, I thought of giving it an upgrade with my own allowance money. So I did that upgrade, and it turns out to be great because there are already four built-in Bose speakers and a subwoofer in the front there. But this one just added to that sound quality, like all those music when it's coming at full power. It's just the mood you can feel. And anyway, the sunroof is the same and stuff. But other than that, I've given it a great clean, and it's now time for the confetti. I'm gonna pause the video, and since my family members are busy inside looking after my cousins, I'm gonna pop the confetti and then I'm gonna show it to you. After that, I'm gonna end the video and do a photo shoot. So it's time for the confetti. So I'm currently inside my house right now waiting for family members to come out, as they also want to see the confetti which I blast, and I'm going to show you another upgrade which I made to the car key. So there's this keychain which I've added of Marvel, one of my favorite brands. So I thought since I have Spider-Man in the car, why not give it a Marvel keychain upgrade? So this is it on the upgrades. I forgot to tell you about it. So now waiting for family members to come out.